Welcome to day 10 of our 30-day vibration plate squat challenge. 10 days in, that's real dedication. Today our focus is simple: consistency over intensity. It's not about doing more, it's about showing up and moving well. Let's get centered on our plate. Feet shoulder width apart, knees soft, spine tall. Feel those vibrations rising through your legs. That steady pulse that reminds you, small effort, big payoff. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your shoulders drop and let go of any pressure to do more. Consistency is what transforms your strength. Not the hardest day, but the repeated effort day after day. You've already proven you can stick with it. Keep breathing deeply as your muscles warm. Notice how quickly your body activates now. It's learned the rhythm. Stay here, focused and calm, as we prepare for our first interval. Now let's get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 4 squats, 20 pulses, 8 squats. Keep your pace steady and smooth. No rush. Control each rep and feel each pulse. That's where real progress happens. Nice work. 10 days in, your form probably feels more natural now. Use this time to breathe. Shake out your legs and hold your shoulders back. Think about how far you've come from day 1, balance checks, to this steady rhythm. This challenge isn't about perfection. It's about staying present, staying consistent. If you're tired, that's okay. Just keep showing up. That's the secret that builds results. One day, one squat at a time. Now while you're resting, check your posture. Are your knees tracking over your toes? Are your shoulders relaxed? Little corrections now makes a big difference later. You've made it 10 days straight. That's a milestone. Most people stop after the first week, but not you. You're proving that you don't need to be perfect, just consistent. If you have your water near you and you need to grab a sip, do it now. We'll go back in strong. Take a deep breath through your nose and let it go. Stay loose. We're halfway through this session. Get ready to transition into interval 2. Here we go again. Same structure. 4 squats, 20 pulses, 8 squats in 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, go. Stay smooth. Breathe through each move. The goal today isn't more reps, it's better reps. Quality over quantity. Focus over force. Nice work. That's 2 rounds done. This is where your endurance starts to build. You've already activated every major muscle in your legs. Now your balance and focus are joining the team. Stay moving just a little. Don't freeze up. You can do slow knee bends or just shift your weight from side to side. Keeping gentle motion helps your body recover faster between sets. Think about the reason for starting this challenge. Better energy, stronger legs, more confidence. Whatever the reason, this consistency is what gets you there. Remember, even a small effort done daily compounds over time. You're not just training muscles, you're training commitment. Breathe, relax your hands, keep your shoulders back, and let's finish this next round smooth and strong. Here comes our final interval of day 10. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Stay in control, stay confident. Each pulse builds stability, each squat builds strength. Remember, you don't need to go faster, you just need to keep moving. Consistency beats intensity every time. All right, it's time to slow everything down. You did it. Day 10 complete. Now stand tall on your plate with your knees slightly bent. Let that vibration travel up through your legs, all the way to your core. All right, use this time to relax. Close your eyes for a moment if it feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your heartbeat settling. Feel that vibration hum grounding you. Your legs worked hard today. Thank them. They carried you, balanced you, and kept you steady for 10 full days. This is your moment to recover, to breathe, to reset. Lean forward and feel that tension drain through your hips and your lower back. You've worked hard for this moment, so enjoy it. You're not just working out, you're building consistency, confidence, and calm. That's real fitness. You've proven that consistency beats intensity every time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. Give yourself a hand. You've done an awesome job. You made it through day 10. Join me tomorrow for day 11. Bye.